Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing guys. Yes, we received a parcel and let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's eat it first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Open na natin. It's been a few days na kasi nandito. I've been very busy at work. And need ko na talaga siyang i-open. So, I ordered this guys for my bathroom. And this is tanan! A soap dispenser or shampoo dispenser. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag nyo doon. Pero eto, bala kong ilagay sa CR namin, sa paliguan, in the shower, para sa aming shampoo and shower gel. Yan. So, open natin. May tape dito. Check natin yung loob. So, inside, we have, ayan, first, dalawa siya. A set of 2. So, meron dito mga screws. And, this is it. Ganito siya, guys. Tanan! So, white pala siya. I thought it was silver. White pala. Okay lang. So, yung mechanism neto, guys, is andito sa loob. Wait lang. Nandito sa loob yung shampoo or yung shower gel. And then, all we need to do is like, nakaganito kasi yun. Like, make this motion. And tutulo na dito yung shampoo or shower gel. So, dito, when open it, ay nakalock. So, parang kailangan ng key or something para ma-open. Okay, so this inside another screw and whatsoever. Ito yung pangalawa. Ayan. Ito yung pangalawa. What's inside pa? Ito yung lagayan. So, parang you take one. And may ano siya dito. And all we need to do is just put it like this and slide it down para ma-lock. And then ganito siya. Ganon. And para tanggalin ulit, i-up lang natin and check. That's it, guys. I thought meron siyang adhesive dito. Okay, this will be my problem dahil I thought may adhesive to. Wala pala. Sa video kasi meron. And what's inside pa? The keys and other locks. Ayan. Ito yung keys para sa pag-open dito sa taas. Ayan. So all you need to do is like open. And then, ayan, ganito siya. Balik natin. And then, i-lock natin the other side. And hindi na ma-i-open. Diba? Ang galing. And this, I don't know what it is. Just some style. Siguro. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. So, ang problemahin ko lang is kailangan ng drill. Kailangan ka mag-drill. Ayan, ganito siya guys. So, diba? Very cutesy. Kala ko talaga meron talaga siya ano dito. Oh my God. Alright, so yeah, that's it guys. That was our soap dispenser. Ayan. Ganito siya. Very cutesy. Ayan, excited na nga ako dapat gamitin to. Ayan. So, ayan, if you're interested to buy one of those guys, just DM me on my Facebook page, Lievi 2.0 and Lievi 3.0, so I can give you the link, and I'll be doing another video on how to install it. Alright? So, again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.